Today's video is on the top 3 best fuel injector cleaners in 2025. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Liqui Moly Fuel Injection Cleaner. Is your engine struggling to run smoothly, or do you notice stalling hesitation or rough idling? If so, there's a good chance that your fuel system could use a serious cleaning. Over time, deposits build up in the fuel injectors, disrupting the flow of fuel and affecting your engine's performance. That's where this powerful fuel injector cleaner comes in. It's engineered to tackle the problems that make driving less enjoyable, like engine surges, sluggish acceleration, and even spark plug fouling. With just one treatment, you can give your engine the fresh start it deserves. Let's talk about what makes this cleaner a game changer. Each 20-ounce bottle is packed with a potent cleaning formula that targets even the toughest gunk inside your fuel system. Unlike ordinary cleaners, it goes deep to unclog injectors and ensure that fuel flows smoothly and efficiently. The result? Better combustion, reduced engine knocking, and an overall boost to your engine's performance. If you've been noticing sluggish acceleration or an annoying engine surge during drives, this cleaner can help restore the confidence you once had behind the wheel. Cold starts are another area where this cleaner really shines. If you've ever dealt with the frustration of trying to start your car on a chilly morning, you know how aggravating it can be. Engines tend to struggle when temperatures drop, but this cleaner helps ensure that your car fires up smoothly and reliably, even when it's cold outside. No more wasting time turning the key over and over, hoping the engine will finally catch. And there's more good news. This cleaner doesn't just offer immediate benefits, it also provides long-term protection. Its ability to stabilize fuel for up to 1 year is a huge plus, especially if you have vehicles that sit idle for extended periods, like a sports car you store during the winter or a backup truck that only sees occasional use. When fuel sits for too long, it can break down and create varnish deposits that clog your fuel system. This cleaner keeps your fuel fresh, protecting your engine and ensuring it stays in top condition. What does that mean for you? Smoother rides, hassle-free starts, and peace of mind knowing your engine is protected. Whether you're commuting daily, preparing your car for seasonal storage, or simply want to get the most out of your vehicle, this fuel injector cleaner is a must-have. Don't wait until problems pile up. Take charge of your engine's performance today and experience the difference this cleaner can make. Ready to hit the road with confidence? Grab a bottle and get your engine back in top shape. Hit that subscribe button like it's a dirty fuel injector. Clean it up and make it run smooth. Number 2, best overall. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. If you've ever experienced the frustration of rough idling or engine surges, you know how it can make driving feel less than smooth. That's where a fuel injector cleaner comes in to save the day. This powerful cleaner works to target and reduce hesitation and spark plug fouling, both of which are common issues that result from the buildup of dirt and deposits inside the fuel injectors. By using this cleaner, you're essentially giving your engine a much-needed tune-up. It works by breaking down and cleaning the debris that might be causing poor combustion, which in turn improves your engine's efficiency and helps it run much smoother. No more jerky starts or that frustrating feeling when your engine hesitates or stalls in the middle of driving. The 20-ounce bottle is not only convenient, but it's also packed with a formula that delivers a noticeable improvement. It's perfectly sized for a full treatment, and you'll immediately notice the difference in your vehicle's cold start performance. This means no more worrying about whether your car will start on a chilly morning. Instead, you can rest easy, knowing that the fuel system is clean and your engine will fire up reliably every time. This fuel injector cleaner also works wonders when it comes to maintaining your engine's fuel stability. If you've ever let your vehicle sit for a while without use, you know that fuel can degrade and lead to performance problems when you finally do try to drive it. But with the help of this product, your engine will stay in top condition even after extended periods of storage. It stabilizes the fuel, helping to prevent the formation of deposits that can cause starting issues or poor fuel flow. Best of all, it doesn't just offer a short-term fix. With this cleaner, you'll enjoy improved performance for up to 1 full year. That means for the next 12 months, your fuel injectors will stay clean and free of troublesome buildup, keeping your engine running efficiently and reliably. Whether you're gearing up for a long road trip or simply want to keep your daily driver in peak condition, using this fuel injector cleaner regularly is a smart choice to maintain engine health and ensure smooth performance. By investing in this cleaner, you're not only solving existing issues, but also preventing future ones. It's a proactive way to care for your vehicle, offering long-term benefits that keep your engine running like new. No more worrying about spark plug fouling, hesitation, or engine surges. Just smooth, reliable performance each time you hit the road. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free, link below. Number 1, our pick. Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner. Looking to elevate your engine's performance while ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come? The Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner could be exactly what you need. This product comes in a convenient 5 1/4 ounce bottle, available in a set of 12 so you can keep your vehicle's fuel system in top shape without worrying about running out. Whether you have an older vehicle or you're simply looking for ways to optimize your current ride, this cleaner offers the perfect solution for maintaining your engine's peak performance. One of the main reasons you might consider adding the Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner to your vehicle maintenance routine is its ability to significantly improve your engine's power and fuel efficiency. By burning excess exhaust emissions more effectively, this cleaner helps your engine run more efficiently, which leads to better fuel consumption. Imagine getting more miles per gallon, less time at the pump, and more time on the road enjoying the drive. Not only does this save you money, but it also helps your vehicle perform better, ensuring that your car delivers a smoother and more reliable driving experience. In addition to improving fuel efficiency, the Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner helps extend the lifespan of your fuel system components, like fuel pumps and injectors. Over time, these parts can wear down from the strain of continuous use, leading to costly repairs or even engine failure. But with this cleaner, you'll be giving your fuel system the protection it needs to function at its best for longer. This added protection can delay or even prevent those expensive repairs, saving you both time and money in the long run. Plus, keeping these crucial parts working well means that your engine will maintain its peak performance, helping you get the most out of your vehicle. In addition to cleaning and lubricating the fuel system, the Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner addresses a common issue with low sulfur fuel. Low sulfur fuel can sometimes lead to problems in your engine, but this product neutralizes those issues, ensuring your vehicle keeps running smoothly, even if you're using lower quality fuel. Overall, the Liqui Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner is a smart investment for anyone looking to boost their engine's performance, extend the life of their vehicle, and prevent costly repairs. It's an easy-to-use, effective solution that ensures your car stays in top shape, helping you get the most out of every mile you drive. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.